Oftentimes, people who are looking for an attorney after they've been in an automobile accident would like to know, well, how much is my claim worth? What does this situation translate to as far as money goes? What can I expect to receive from this? And some people think, well, that's just an easy answer. I can just look in a book and give you the answer, but it's much more complicated than that. Because what we're trying to do is to evaluate if this case is going to settle with an insurance company or go to a trial in front of a jury, how much damages are likely to be awarded. And that involves a consideration of a lot of factors, many of which are not known early on. We don't know how much permanent disability there might be. We don't know how lives are impacted. We don't know how future earnings loss are impacted early on. And if you're trying to make a guess of how much damages does this case involve, it requires both counting up what has been incurred so far, but also estimating what might be down the road. How much is my future income loss? How much future medical expense might I have? How is this going to impact my life going forward? Can I ever go skiing again? Can I ever play football again? Can I ever do the things that I like to do? So if you walk into an office 3 weeks after an accident and they say, oh yeah, I can tell you how much your claim is worth, and if you have a complicated case, that would be taken very skeptically. You can't make a fair evaluation of your case until you have the good information, until you know fairly well what your outcome's going to be medically, how your life might be impacted by this. At that point in time, then you can apply your experience, make a judgment about what you think a jury's going to do in the venue where you're at, what an insurance company, that one that you've worked with before, may do with this type of case. Use your judgment and assimilate the information, then we'll give an opinion on what the value of the case might be. Anything we do before that is rough. We can put it in a category, certainly, but to give you a precise number is impossible for anybody to do and not to be put a lot of reliance upon.